Hey, my name's Ctrix, I'm from Australia and I write music on a Commodore Amiga. Blipfest is a festival here in New York City and it's been going now for a fair number of years. And it's basically a showcase of a whole load of chip artists from around the globe. Chiptune music is the art, I guess, of taking a games console or a computer console from the days when they made their own sound, you know, the blips and the bloops. Before you had, you know, just a full CD quality soundtrack, and you take those old machines and try to write music for them. Within that restriction is the beauty of trying to make a track and get it within the constraints, and I guess that's one of the reasons why I love the machine. Plus it sounds amazing for its age and its vintage. For a machine that was from 1984 that has the capability that it has, it's just absolutely incredible.
Simmons, otherwise known as Format, and I'm a chip musician. The Amiga computer was one of the first times that cheap multi-track sampling was available to the masses, because once the Amiga 500 came out, it was like 300 quid, and every kid who wanted to make DJ mixes or sort of hip-hop tracks could just go out and get an Amiga for their Christmas present, and then all the software and the samples was free. So without the Amiga, I wouldn't be doing what I'm doing now.
My current alias is Stagediver. Tonight I am using two Amiga 1200s. One of them has been modified heavily. The entire project is Amiga based. The Amiga has this sort of personality. You turn it on and you almost become a part of it. It demands your attention. You tell it what to do. It does it very well, and all under, you know, 2 megabytes. When I first discovered the Amiga, I really realized that I can use these computers that I saw in school in a way that I wanted, and made these awful noises that piss off my parents. And I mean, really, it's hard nowadays to piss off your parents.